सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 300, verse 173. चिरन्तयो सर्वसाम्यम् अनुसन्धाय जागरे सत्यत्वबुद्धिं संत्यज्य नानुरज्यति पूर्ववत्. Vidyaranya Swami, talking about that Brihadaranyaka mantra, the second line, Kimichan kasya kamaya shariram anusanjvaret. What desire can be there to a jnani, even though he is experiencing his prarabdha? There are two sources to enjoy the kama. To enjoy the desire or kama, there are two sources. One is avidya, another is prarabdha vasana. One is avidya or ignorance, self-ignorance is the cause to fulfill the desires. Second cause is prarabdha vasana. In the case of ajnani, these two are there. Avidya also is there and prarabdha vasana also there. The two are prevailing in ajnani's experience. Whereas in jnani's case, avidya is not there, self-ignorance is not there, but prarabdha vasana is there. Prarabdha vasana caused experiences are bound to be there in the case of a jnani, even though there is no self-ignorance. But this prarabdha vasana caused experiences will not cause any adverse consequence in the case of a jnani. Prarabdha vasana caused desires fulfilling time, they will not cause any adverse situations or consequences. Bhoga pradatvam is there, but bija ankuratvam is not there. Bhoga pradatvam means jnani's prarabdha is capable of giving bhoga. Bhoga pradatvam. Jnani's prarabdha is capable of giving bhoga, either sukha or dukkha. But that prarabdha of that jnani will not cause any further janma marana consequences. Bija ankuratvam is not there, just as the fried seed. We saw in the previous slokas. The fried seed is useful for enjoying by eating, but it cannot sprout. It cannot sprout. It is nice to eat, more tasty also, the fried seed. I gave so many examples, cashew, groundnut. At the same time, it cannot sprout. Bija ankuratvam samarthyam not there. Parantu bhoga pradatvam is there. You enjoy it, you experience that fried seed by eating, but it cannot germinate. If you soak in the water, it cannot germinate. Similarly, Jnani's prarabdha also is like a fried seed. Gives bhoga, sukha dukkha bhoga, without causing any adverse situations, adverse consequences, but that prarabdha will not cause any further sanchita agami karmas because of jnanam, because of knowledge, because of mithyatva nischayam. That is the topic we are seeing, these two causes, avidya and prarabdha vasana. In the case of jnani, there is no avidya, only prarabdha bhoga is there. Even that prarabdha bhoga also cannot cause any pain, strain or any stain in jnani's life. Just it comes and goes. Jnani is not affected by that prarabdha. Look into the shloka 173. In 172, Acharya gave your Jagrat also same like Swapna, he said. Just as you see your dream as unreal, see your Jagrat, waking world is also like a dream. Learn to see like that. That seeing Swapna like Jagrat, Jagrati like Swapna is not just by thought. It is born out of knowledge. Seeing the waking world experience just like Swapna, it has to come only through knowledge, firm knowledge. Otherwise, how can I see waking world as a dream? Waking world is waking world, dream world is dream world. But Shastra says, dream world is dream number 1, waking world is dream number 2. I have to lift myself to that Shastra statement. Shastra statement, dream and Jagrat both are samam, samyam. I have to rise myself. My intellectual platform has to be uplifted to that Shastric statement level. Then only I am aligning my intellect with Shastric statements. I have to uplift myself. Uddhared atmana atmanam. We have to put an effort. Tayoho sarva samyam. Tayoho jagrat swapnayoho. Samyam, uniformity. There is no much difference. What is the difference if you want to know? In Mandukya Visa, what is the difference between Swapna and Jagrat? No, only one difference. After waking up, the dream objects are not available. Dream objects are not available. But once you wake up to your real nature knowledge, Jagrat objects are available. You remember this, very interesting. Very, very interesting. What is the difference between dream objects and waking objects? Dream objects will not continue after waking up, but waking object, waking world objects will continue after awaken to my real nature. Are you able to understand? After waking up, Uttishtha Jagrata. So I have woken up to my real nature, still I experience the waking world. That is the difference. That is why we are not able to accept this Vyavaharika Prapancha like a dream. They are disappearing, but this is not disappearing. If this disappears, no Gnani is available for teaching. If this waking world also disappears for a Gnani, no Gnani is available for teaching. Then whoever teaching is, must be a Ajnani. Thank God, Gnani continues in the Vyavaharika world after knowledge also, for our sake, for teaching purpose, to bless us. Bhagavan kept this secretly. Understand? Are you enjoying the point? Beautiful observation. Therefore, tayoho samyam, sarva samyam. Almost all the objects are unreal in dream. Waking world objects are also unreal. Samyam. Anusandhaya jagare. I have to repeatedly dwell upon this fact. This waking world, these objects are nothing but mithya. That is pratibhasika satyam, this is vyavaharika satyam. What is another difference between swapna and jagrat? That is pratibhasika satyam, this is vyavaharika satyam. So, both of them are chiram anusandhaya. Chiram means all the time, continuously you have to dwell. Dream like Jagrat world, dream like Jagrat world. This world is like a dream. When you have to think like this, not in sleep. Acharya says, Jagare, in Jagradavastha. In Jagradavastha, you have to think this dream and Jagradavastha both are similar. In Jagradavastha, you have to think. Jagradavasthala irunde Jagradavastha swapnam madirida. Purinjikano. Nenekkanam illa. Nenekkaradhukku, purinjikkaradhukku difference irukku. Na nenekkare Swamini anna. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 na nenekkare anna. I think ani sollakudadu. Must be a knowledge. It is not just a belief. Similarly, in Jagradavastha, all the time, whenever I see all objects, they are only Namarupa. Just give a name. The Rupa is false. Just appearance. Like pot, you keep pot always in your bag, small pot. And pot, whole world is like a pot. Because there is no pot really. Whole world is like that. What about your body? Body is also like that only. So and so name, so and so person is real? Not at all. I think it is real because of avidya. Sarva samyam jagare chiram anusandhaya. Underline the word, no? Golden letters. Anusandhaya. How to do nididhyasanam Swamini? Suppose you ask this line. Kantha patham bandhanam. Tayoho sarva samyam jagrat swapnayoho sarva samyam jagare chiram anusandhaya. Satyatva buddhim santyajya. May you drop samtyajya. Samyak teja. Little bit I have Swamini. On my body I am not able to get that mithyatva bhavana. Everything I can say, pot is mithya, world is mithya, carpet is mithya, chair is mithya, fan is mithya, all are mithya, except my body, That is not samyak. Including your body, including your mind, all are mithya only. Satyatva buddhim samtyajya. Drop their notion that reality in that object. Satyatva buddhim. Satyatva buddhi means as I see a person, as I see an object, as I see anything in the world, I give reality to that. It is real. It is very, very, very disturbing. My son is real, my daughter is real to me, my grandson is real, my granddaughter is real, my pet is real for me. How can you say unreal? Fortunately or unfortunately, you have to come to this unreality only. There is no way. Nithyatva nischayam satyatva buddhim santyajya. As long as you see them, they are real, body is real, mind is real, connected relations are real, objects are real, where is Advaitam? Tell me. Where is Advaitam? Non-dual Brahman. Ekameva Dvitiyam. All are standing this side, so many things. I am giving reality. Can I have the capacity to say, to utter Ekameva Dvitiyam? Can I? I have right to say Ekameva Dvitiyam? Never. You can never say Ekam Eva Advitiyam Brahma Asti Tatu Brahma Ahamasmi. You can never say until you remove the reality from all this. How to remove the reality? Just can I pluck it? You cannot pluck like that physically. Intellectually, you analyze. There cannot be reality in that, it is impossible. Chandogya, 6th chapter. You have to recollect. Therefore, reality, the moment you take out, Ekameva Dvitiyam Aham Brahma Eva Asmi iti Jnanam Nishtha Sthira Prajnata comes. Satyatva buddhim santyajya, then what? This jnani will never revel in anatma pleasures. If they come, okay. If they won't come also, okay. Even while they are there, while enjoying also, there is no relishing. No? There is no na anurajyate. He is not having or she is not having, aha, oh, what a ananda, what a ananda. Adella irukadu. Na anurajyati. Purvavat. Just before knowledge, there was or anandam. Aha, what a ananda. Harsha. So nice. I am enjoying. I am so fortunate. I am so blessed. Fortunate avadu, blessed avadu. Who is there to enjoy? What is there to enjoy? Who is enjoying? What is enjoying? Purvavat na anurajyati. Because what dog enjoying in the dry bone? In the dry bone, what dog is enjoying? Is really enjoying? Nothing is there to enjoy. Therefore, how a jnani, while enjoying the prarabdha vasana, can he or she have that anuraga for that pleasure? Continuation of that pleasure? Impossible. Because there is no ananda in that object. Jnani can never revel in that pleasures. Okay, up to here we saw in the last class. Very, very important sloka. Beautiful sloka. You have to by heart and karachi kudikkanum. Appadi slokam fulla. That means what? Karachi kudikkanam enna artham? It has to be fact, 100% fact to me. Appoda. Next sloka. Indrajalamidam dvaitam achintya rachanatvatah ityavismarato hanihim kava prarabdha bhogatah. From this 174 onwards up to 180, these 4 5 slokas Acharya want to say, prarabdha and tattva jnanam can coexist. Prarabdha means arabdham karma ityarthaha. That karma which is giving sukha dukkha to you every day, every moment, that is called prarabdha karma. Which prarabdha karma brought this body? Prarabdhaya samarpitam vapuhu. This body is given to prarabdha. Even this prarabdha you cannot predict what next moment is going to happen. Even Jnani cannot predict what prarabdha is going to come next hour, evening, tomorrow. You have no data in your hand. What comes, comes. Undergo that by falsifying that. Therefore, Jnani cannot predict his or her own prarabdha also. It may be pleasant, it may be unpleasant, it may be favorable or it may be unfavorable. Not afraid of that prarabdha. Why? Are you afraid of a false snake? Are you crave for, are you interested in going for mirage water? Like that. Prarabdha is like a mirage water. Prarabdha is like a silver shell. Prarabdha is like a rope snake. If dukkha comes, rope snake. If sukha comes, see, silver shell silver. Shukti rajatamat. Pravrutti sukti rajatam. Nivrutti rajju sarpa. All favorable, comfortable results when they are coming, sukti rajatavat. When unfavorable are coming, bodily pain, illness, some other problems, rajju sarpavat. Both are real or unreal? 80% unreal or 20% unreal, 90% or 100% unreal. Examples nanna puriyarudhu Swamini. But life you soak into the Shastra soaks into you. If I touch your intellect, buddhi, enga tottanu? Uppu. And the madri, Urgail Uppirikra madri, Nama Buddhila, Shastra. Hang Patana Shastra. And the statements irkanu. You can say it is same like silver, shell silver, rope snake like that. What? Prarabdha. Our own prarabdha. Indrajalavat. So Jnani cannot predict. Jnani's prarabdha and jnanam happily coexist. That is what he want to present, that topic. Indrajala midam dvaitam. All are very technical shlokas, very important for a serious, advanced seeker. Sollalamu? Yarik important and not for all people, not for beginners. Advanced senior students like you, these slokas are very important. The entire Dvaita Prapancha, the duality, what you are seeing, Nama, Rupa, Prapancha. He is different, she is different, it is different, this is different, that is different. Dvaita Prapancha, Indrajalavat. Just like Indrajala, like magician's magic. Indati iti Indraha. Indrasya jalam, Indrajalam. Indati, to be the master. That Indrajalikaha, the one who does magic, is called the master of that magic. He knows it is false. He knows it is false. That's why he is called Indrajala. Aindrajalikaha. The one who is the master of that magic, because magic is under his control. So Indrajalamidam Dvaitam. Just as the magic, whatever you are seeing, it is not real. Similarly, this Dvaitam also is like a magic. எவ்வளவு ஈஸியா சொல்றாரு அவரு. பாவம், அவருக்கு என்ன தெரியும் நம்ம கஷ்டம். Vidyaranya says so easily that you also can say that. When Vidyaranya says, why not me? When it is possible for Vidyaranya, why not me? It has to be possible, no? I will make it possible. That clarity. Indrajalamidam, idam dvaitam, the dvaitam which is in front of you, this dvaitam, duality, this duality in front of you is just like magic, like Indrajalavat. Not only that, achintya rachanatvataha, na chintya achintya, unthinkable. What you think about Indrajala, what he is creating, you are sitting in front of that magic show. He is showing the magic. I am thinking about magic. What do you think? Hi night. It is not there. And thinking. You are thinking, who wants your thinking about that magic? Is your thinking about that magic is appropriate? Is necessary? It is not appropriate, it is not necessary because it is not there. Therefore, na chintya, achintya, unthinkable, incomprehensible. Achintya rachana asau, atintya rachana. Tasya bhavaha achintya rachanatvataha. The world is like a magic because of its logical indescribability. Achintya rachana means logical indescribability, logical incomprehensibility, logically uncategorizable. Beautiful technical word, achintya rachana. You cannot categorize, you cannot talk about, you cannot explicitly explain, describe about magic. What you can describe? Tell me. I want to talk about magic. What you can talk? You want to describe about magic? That objects which are all appearing in the magic. Any intelligent person try to describe them? That objects? They are only appearance. They are not real. That is called achintya rachana. Because of hetvarthe. Achintya rachanatvataha. Iti avismarataha. Without forgetting, not forgetting this fact, the entire universe is like a magic Indrajalam. Indescribable. It cannot be comprehended, not forgetting this fact. Avismaran, avismarataha. Present participle, avismarataha, shashti ekavachanam. Avismarataha, not forgetting this fact. Hanihi ka va prarabdha bhogataha. When this person is not forgetting this fact, what harm is going to happen because of prarabdha? The moment he is remembering this world is just like magic, and Gnani exhausting his prarabdha. What harm can this prarabdha do for a Gnani? When he sees the entire prarabdha also another Indrajalam. His own prarabdha caused by wife or husband, sannyasiyana sishyan, yado prarabdha, punya prarabdha, papa prarabdha, whatever comes, that prarabdha, what hani, what harm it can do. That non-existent rope, a non-existent snake can come and do some harm to you. It can never do that. Therefore, prarabdha bhogataha, when he is experiencing or she is experiencing the prarabdha, either pleasant prarabdha or unpleasant prarabdha, either sukha or dukkha, how it is going to harm this jnani? That Indrajalam, magic objects, whatever he creates, they can come and disturb you. They cannot. Why? They are unreal. Similarly, this prarabdha is also unreal. See, where we have to go to that level of understanding. Not so easy. That is why tat chintanam, tat kadhanam, anyonya tat prabodhanam, ekadeka paratvancha brahmabhyasam vidur buddhaha. Just casual listening, casual study, casual thinking of Atma will never work. Pashyan shrunvan, sprishan jigran, ashnan gachan, swapan swashan. It is not for teacher's sake. It is not for any guru's sake or any other sake. Only for my sake. Unless I reach to this state, no PHS, no peace, happiness, security. முடியுமா என்னால முடியும் தம்பி என்று சொல்லணும். முடியுமா வருமா எனக்கு என்ன வராது. எனக்கு வரலன்னா யாருக்கு வரும்? பஹூநாமேமி பிரதமஹ பஹூநாமேமி மத்தியமஹ. I am the best. I am the first. Not out of pride, out of confidence. The amount I dwell upon Shastra, the amount I get the clarity. That's all. Simple. Indrajalamidam dvaitam. இதெல்லாம் பைஹார்ட் பண்ணணும். என்ன பைஹார்ட் பண்ணாட்டாலும் இந்த ஸ்லோகாஸ் மாத்திரம் பைஹார்ட் பண்ணணும். என்ன பஸ்ல உட்கார்ந்து கூட இந்திரஜாலமிதம் துவைத்தம் ஈஸியா சொல்லலாம். ஓகே, தர்மக்ஷேத்ரே குருக்ஷேத்ரே யூ won't say also, doesn't matter. Who want dharmakshetre kurukshetre? That sloka won't help, but this sloka helps. Indrajalamidam dvaitam achintya rachanattvataha iti avismarataha ka prarabdha bhogataha hanihi. Let it be there. Prarabdha irkatumen. What is there? No problem. I am not afraid of prarabdha. அம்மோ நாளைக்கு என்ன வருமோ, என்னதான் வரட்டுமே என்ன. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. நிர்பந்தஸ்தத்வ வித்யாயாஹ இந்திரஜாலத்வ சம்ஸ்மிருதௌ பிராரப்தஸ்யாக்ரஹோ போகே जीवस्य सुख दुःखयोः. Another highly technical shloka. I consider all these 5 shlokas are gems like. Gems like you separately write in another paper or book and go through. After the class, after few days we will forget. Where, in which chapter, which book also we don't remember. Therefore, better to take out that gems out and keep in a box separately. Appappa paathindu irukkanum. Okay. Look into the shloka. Jagataha indrajalatva samsmritau. So, dvaitam is indrajalavat. Indrajalam idam dvaitam. Now you are confident. Since this world is like Indrajalam, so Vidyaranya thinks we have got that clarity. Therefore he continues further. Indrajalatvataha Indrajalatva samsmritau Vidyayaha nirbandhaha asti. First sentence. I am going to give 4 sentences. I have to supply 2 sentences extra. For first sentence ki I supply 1 sentence. For second line ki I supply another sentence also. Then only the whole meaning you get clearly. First sentence is this: Jagataha indrajalatva samsmritau. Considering this entire universe like Indrajalam, because Jagat is Dvaitam. Jagataha, of this entire universe. Indrajalatva samsmritau. Remembering, first understanding this is like Indrajalam, and remembering this fact all the time without forgetting. Samsmritau, remembering all the time at the back of the mind. At the back of the mind, at subconscious level, I am remembering this fact. The world is like Indrajalam. Tattva vidyayaha nirbandhaha. This is the niyama of Tattva vidya. Tattvasya vidya, Tattva vidya. Tasyaha Tattva vidyayaha. This is the who reminds us. Tattva vidya reminds. Who is the reminder? Tattva vidya function is to remind all the time. Prarabdha ko function, Tattva vidya ko function. Both of them have their own duties. Nee unnoda vela pannu, na innoda vela pandrenna. Tattva vidya always reminds you. Jagat is mithya. Jagat is mithya. Indrajalam like. This is the niyama, nirbandha for Tattva vidya. Tattva vidya, Tattva means reality. Vidya means knowledge. Once you have the clear knowledge about the reality, that reality you have knowledge, that knowledge does what? Its niyama is, nirbandha is, its niyama, its rule, its declaration is reminding you all the time, this world is mithya, this world is Indrajalavat. And gnapakam padtuma on the jnanam. If I have real knowledge, it will not allow you to give reality to this world. That Tattva Vidya job is that. Whether you like it or not, Tattva Vidya, you got it. Helplessly, it comes and reminds you all the time. Like that, people reminder letters comes, once if you don't pay phone bill, if you don't pay, and the line cut pannid poiduvaa. If you don't pay electricity bill, and cut panniduvaa. They are reminding anamata because you have not paid. And the madri, anatmala reminders irukira madri, in the Atma Jnanam kuda remind pannuma. Indrajalamidam dvaitam, Indrajalamidam dvaitam, Tattva vidyayaha nirbandhaha. What? Indrajalatva samsmritau. Jagataha indrajalatva samsmritau. Tattva vidyayaha nirbandhaha asti. Asti to be supplied. Within brackets. Then what extra sentence you have to supply? Natu jivasya prarabdhasya sukha dukkhayoho bhoga agraha nasti. Tattva vidya will never enter the field of that jiva's prarabdha bhoga. That is the sentence I want to supply. Tattva vidyayaha nirbandhaha is only to remind you this world is like Indrajalam. What is its not? Its duty, not Tattva vidya duty is not this. What is that? Natu, you have to supply. Natu jivasya prarabdhasya sukha dukkhayoho bhoga agraha nasti. Don't take the second sentence. Even though I am talking about the second sentence, that you keep it aside. Tattva vidya reminds you only this world is like Indrajalam. Tattva vidya will not touch the prarabdha of that jiva. He is enjoying the bhoga. And the bhoga which is giving sukha dukkha, because of which prarabdha, of which jiva, in the Tattva vidya will not go and touch him. Nee paatiki nee iru, na unne todamate. என்ன ஜீவஸ்ய பிராரப்தஸ்ய சுக துக்கயோஹோ போகः ந தத்துவ வித்யா will not touch. ஏன் தெரியுமோ? தத்துவ வித்யா is paramarthika satyam aham brahma. Prarabdha bhoga at body mind complex level is vyavaharika satyam. So therefore there is no problem. They can happily coexist. They happily coexist. How pratibhasika satya swapna vyavaharika jagrat purusha happily coexist or not? Waker, in waker dreamer, dream objects exist or not? Because of two different orders of reality, they exist. Dream elephant exists where? In the waker. Where from waker only dreamer came, dream objects, dream elephant came. All are existing in waker. Happily they are existing or not? Similarly, this prarabdha bhoga, sukha dukkha also happily exist in paramarthika brahma aham. They exist. I am lending existence to them. Vyavaharika satyam existing where? In me the paramarthika satya atma. Koncham kastama irukke enakku theriyum. Aanalum very important. எப்படி வியாவகாரிக சத்தியத்தில் பிராதிபாசிக சத்தியம் அடங்கி இருக்கிறதோ அதே மாதிரி பாரமார்த்திக சத்தியமான நான் என்ன இன் மீ தி பிரம்மன் வியாவகாரிக சத்திய பிராரப்த போக எக்ஸிஸ்ட். Why I have to touch it? Why I have to remove? பாவம் ஞானிக்கோ எக்ஸாஸ்டிங் பிராரப்தான்னா. இவன் ஏதோ விட்டி ஆஃப் ஞானி, அவருக்கு தொண்டை வலி வருது, அவருக்கு முதுகு வலி வருது, அவருக்கு இல்னஸ் வருது. வந்தா வரட்டும், என்ன வந்தா வரட்டுமே. வாட் இஸ் ப்ராப்ளம்? இது வியாவகாரிக சத்தியம், அது பாரமார்த்திக சத்தியம். தேர்ஃபோர் நது ஜீவஸ்ய பிராரப்தஸ்ய சுக துக்க யோகோ போக ஆக்ரஹ ந அஸ்தி. ஆக்ரஹ மீன்ஸ் in the second line ஆக்ரஹ we have borrowed. பிடிவாதம். ஆக்ரஹம்னா ஜூரிஸ்டிக்ஷன், பிடிவாதம். இந்த சுப்ரீம் கோர்ட் வந்து காவேரி வாட்டர் மஸ்ட் பி கிவன் டு தமிழ்நாடு இந்த பிடிவாதம். இந்த கர்நாடகா நோ வி டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு கிவ், அது ஒரு பிடிவாதம். ஆக்ரஹம். அதுக்கு ஆக்ரஹம்னா இங்கிருந்து வந்தது அந்த ஆக்ரஹம். ஓகே, இஃப் தே won't give water we get ஆக்ரஹம், இஃப் தே give water they get ஆக்ரஹம். புரியுறதா? என்ன பண்றது இப்போ? அந்த கேஸ் நமக்கு வேண்டாம். Let come. Now come to the second line. Second line anvayaha, you have to supply one word. Natu jivasya sukha dukkhayoho. Natu you have to supply. Natu second line. Natu supply jivasya sukha dukkha jivasya प्रारब्धस्य सुखदुःखयोः न तु जीवस्य प्रारब्धस्य सुखदुःखयोः. This is third sentence. Second sentence what I have supplied looks same like this, but there is small difference. Okay, न तु जीवस्य जीवस्य प्रारब्धस्य सुखदुःखयोः भोगे आग्रहा bhavati. You have to supply. Now we understand what is the difference between second line and third line. Second line anna naan kuduthu second line, ஸ்லோகம் இல்லை. இப்போ ஸ்லோகால் அது வந்து தேர்ட் லைன், செகண்ட் லைன் பிகம் தேர்ட் லைன். என்ன சுவாமினி ஒரே கன்ஃபியூஷனா இருக்கு. என்ன ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் இஸ் இன் த ஸ்லோகா. ஐ கேவ் த செகண்ட் லைன் separately. Now I am taking the second line of the shloka as third line because I have to give fourth line supply. Okay, second line of the shloka, you see, second line of the shloka in our anvaya third line. Okay, natu जीवस्य प्रारब्धस्य सुख दुःख योगो भोगे आग्रहः भवति. Agraha means what? This prarabdha has got its own role of this jivas giving the sukha dukkha. Bhavati eva. Now fourth line. Natu bhoga satyatva apadane. Prarabdha cannot give reality to that bhoga. Bhogasya natu bhoga satyatva apadane. Prarabdha has got only one power, giving sukha dukkha to the jiva, not giving the reality to that prarabdha. That sukha dukkha is real and prarabdham panna mudiyadu. Thirupi solren. Prarabdha can give only sukha dukkha to the jiva. But prarabdha cannot give the satyatvam to that sukha dukkha of that jiva. Prarabdha gives only sukha dukkha, but prarabdha doesn't have capacity to give the reality to the sukha dukkha. Who is giving reality to that sukha dukkha? Your buddhi, not prarabdha. Our unintelligent intellect. Ajnani intellect only giving reality to that sukha dukkha, not prarabdha. All four sentences I will read once again. Okay? First one. Jagataha indrajalatva samsmrtau tattva vidyayaha nirbandhaha asti. First sentence over. Second sentence. Natu jivasya prarabdhasya sukha dukkhayoho bhoga agrahaha nasti. That means tattva vidya will not give prarabdha, will not interfere in giving the sukha dukkha. Natu jivasya prarabdhasya sukha dukkhayoho bhogaha agrahaha nasti. Then third sentence. That is second line. Second line of the sloka. Natu jivasya prarabdhasya sukha dukkhayoho agraha bhoge agraha bhavati. Kasya prarabdhasya? Natu jivasya prarabdhasya bhoge sukha dukkhayoho bhoge agraha bhavati. Agraha bhavati. Fourth line. Natu bhoga satyatva apadane agraha bhavati. Bhoga satyatva apadane, giving the satyatvam to this bhoga, prarabdha bhoga, that prarabdha cannot give satyatvam to that bhoga. Prarabdha is incapable of giving satyatvam to the bhoga. Therefore, your sukha dukkha bhoga of prarabdha, sukha dukkha bhoga is real or unreal? Anna? Unreal. Prarabdha cannot make that. Your sukha dukkha is real. Prarabdha cannot make that. Go and dwell upon this sloka, you get 100 marks. If you understand. Next sloka. Vidyarabdhe viruddhyete न भिन्न विषयत्वतः जानद्भिरप्यैन्द्रजाल नद्भिरप्यैन्द्रजाल विनोदो दृश्यते खलु. Just fun Vidyaranya want to do. First I will give you example, then you understand easily. The serial you are seeing in the TV, is it real or unreal? Unreal. Are you enjoying or not? Enjoying. Thoroughly enjoying. In spite of knowing that serial is unreal, you are enjoying, it is a vinoda for you. Similarly, for a jnani, prarabdha is a vinodam. In spite of knowing this is unreal, let it continue. Vinodama illaya? Vinodam da. Eppo? When serial is not more serious to you, it is just vinodam. If you take it as real, serial become serious to you. Similarly, whole world, Bhagavan create a lot of serials. One family is one serial story. Without paying, without to buy a TV, thousands of rupees. Every family is a very one serial. You need not buy anything, freely available. Just you give a ear to them, they will talk about that. Nice serial. Brother-in-law serial, sister-in-law serial, Mamiyar or serial, father-in-law or serial, husband periya serial. Every relation and dialogue is a serial. And every moment of your life is a serial. Freely available. You need not buy a box. It need not occupy. When it is available, no power cut problem, no repair problem, no service problem. 24 hours, 360 days, available serial. We know them. Is it real? Unreal. Look into the sloka. Vidya rabdhe. Vidya and prarabdha. Vidya cha arabdham cha. Vidya rabdhe. Here arabdha means prarabdha. Tattva vidya plus prarabdha, both of them bhinna vishayatvataha, because they are totally functioning in different fields. Tattva bhinna vishayatvataha. Just like ears function with regard to sounds, eyes function with regard to forms. Different field. No contradiction, no problem. One cannot come and demand this, other cannot enter the other field. Similarly, vidya, tattva vidya, arabdham, that is prarabdham, both of them bhinna vishayatvataha. One is vyavaharika satyam, another is paramarthika satyam. Na viruddhyete, both of them never contradict. Suppose prarabdha contradict vidya, brahma vidya, tattva vidya, what will happen? What will happen? There is a problem. Prarabdha is unreal, tattva vidya is real, Brahman is real. This unreal prarabdha cannot enter, or tattva vidya cannot enter the field of prarabdha. Is vyavaharika satyam. Tattva vidya cannot say this prarabdha experience should not be there. Tattva vidya cannot say. Prarabdha cannot say what vidya says dvaitam is unreal. Idu no, dvaitam is real ani sollakudadu. It cannot say dvaitam is real. Because tattva vidya job is to say dvaitam is unreal. Prarabdha job is to give sukha dukkha. In the tattva vidya prarabdha enter pandakudadu. Prarabdha and the dvaitam satyam ani sollakudadu. Ama rendu perume jagrattha nadakkanum. Saptapadi madri. They should not contradict each other. Virodha, na virodhyete. They will not contradict each other. Next line. Janadbhihi api indrajala vinodaha. Knowing the indrajalam, buying the ticket, 1,000 rupees ticket, sitting in front of that indrajalam. Poyyani therinje, clap adiக்கிறோமா இல்லையா? அப்பா என்ன பண்ணிட்டார் அப்பா இந்திரஜாலம் அம்மா, ஆஹா ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை, nothing is there. Janadbhihi, even we know that it is mithya. Janadbhihi api indrajalam vinodaha drishyate khalu. Indrajalam, even though it is false, it is unreal, is it not giving vinoda to you? Khalu prasiddhilya. It is very well known for every one of us. Similarly, after tattva vidya, This world, prarabdha, is a vinodam. That is why for a jnani, life is an entertainment. Easier solitaire parango. Life is an vinodam. Is a serial. ఇప్పుడు சொன்னா அதுக்கு தான் எதுக்கு சொல்லணும் சுவாமினிக்கு எது சொன்னாலும் கூட வினோதம் சொல்லிடுவார் అని சொல்லி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஸ்டாப்பிங் ஷேரிங் எவ்ரிதிங். என்ன பாவம் சுவாமினி ஆர் குரு, எனி குரு டாக்கிங் அபவுட் ஞானம் வேண்டாம், இட் இஸ் எல்லாம் மித்யா இருந்தானே சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கா, நம்ம எதுக்கு சொல்லணும்னா அப்படி ஒன்றும் இல்லை. ஸோ வியாவகாரிக சத்தியம், வி கம் டவுன் டு வியாவகாரிக சத்தியம் டு சால்வ் த ப்ராப்ளம் ஃபார் வியாவகாரிக்கலி. We can share, no problem. You can happily share all what seriousness. You can share. வினோதமா சால்வ் பண்ணிடலாம், அப்படிதான். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா. ஜெகத் சத்யத்வமாபாத்ய प्रारब्धं भोजयेद्यदि तदा विरोधि विद्यायाः भोगमात्रान्न सत्यता. Another jump. Okay, these are all jumps. First line, यदि जगत सत्यत्वम आपाद्य प्रारब्धम भोजयेत स्यात्. Suppose this prarabdha makes this world real, satyatvam apadya. Whatever you are experiencing, this is real. Suppose it says, prarabdha concludes, this is real, your experience is real. Then Tattva Vidya said, what? It is unreal. Apo prarabdha is entering the field of Tattva Vidya. Tattva Vidya solradhu. No, idella dialogue. Tattva Vidya comes and says what? This is Indrajalam, like Dvaitam is Indrajalam, Mithya, Swapnavat. Tattva Vidya has come and established. This prarabdha should not come and say, your sukha dukkha, bhoga is real. And sonna eppadi? It's wrong. Prarabdha should not come and say, when Tattva Vidya, Jnanam established this Dvaitam is Mithya, what right this prarabdha has got to say, this bhoga, sukha bhoga, Dvaitam is Satyam? Solla kudadu. If it says, it is virodhi of Tattva Vidya. Na ini iru ani cheppi na edam kodutha enakke. Tattva Vidya permits the prarabdha to continue, and this prarabdha should not enter the field of Tattva Vidya. Eppadi irukona summa iru ani edam kodutha idu modalike mosam pannakoodadu. Is clear? Tada virodhi vidyayaha. Then the prarabdha will become an enemy of Tattva Vidya. Then if prarabdha says the sukha bhoga is satyam, that is why I said prarabdha doesn't have capacity to talk about the sukha bhoga as satyam. Why? Tattva Vidya already falsified the satyatvam in this bhoga prapancha, Dvaita prapancha. Therefore prarabdha job is only to give bhoga, not to establish satyatvam. Tattva Vidya job is only to falsify the Dvaitam, not to destroy the prarabdha. Nee ennude Pakistan and India, avan edukku namma edathukku varanum? Why they have to occupy our country, our land? As long as they occupy, we will not leave them. நீ உன்னோட இடத்துல இரு, நான் என்னோட இடத்துல இருப்பேன். If you come and occupy my country, அக்ரமித காஷ்மீர், விடுவானே? நான் விட மாட்டேன். தட்ஸ் வை நான் சண்டை போடுவேன். என்ன, நீ உன்ன இடத்துல இருக்கணும், நான் என்னோட இடத்துல இருப்பேன். நல்ல எக்ஸாம்பிள். ஓகே, he has no right to enter our land. We never enter their land. ವೈ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಂಟರ್ ಅವರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಪ್ರಾರಬ್ಧ ಹೇಳ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾರಬ್ಧ ಅವನು ನೋಡೇ ಪ್ರಾರಬ್ಧ ಅದು. ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ತತ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾ. ಓಕೆ. ಪೂರ್ಣಮದಃ ಪೂರ್ಣಮಿದಂ ಪೂರ್ಣಾತ್ ಪೂರ್ಣಮುದಚ್ಯತೆ ಪೂರ್ಣಸ್ಯ ಪೂರ್ಣಮಾದಾಯ ಪೂರ್ಣಮೇವಾವಶಿಷ್ಯತೆ. ಓಂ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ ಶಾಂತಿ. ಹರಿಃ ಓಂ. ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಹರಿಃ ಓಂ.